Good evening, Sahas.
Good evening. So let's start with today's session. So today also we have a lesson in that book, but I thought to do something else. Wait a mi- wait a minute. See. Okay. So you have two choices. You have to select one. Okay. Can everyone hear me? Can everyone hear me? Hello.
Yes,
Can
I can
everyone
hear.
hear me? Okay. So I have two choices and you can select one of those. Okay. So you have to let me know what's the choice you are going to choose. And also, Dinut is the one who's supposed to do the session today. But until he come, I'll do some of those things. Would you like to do the both the things, both the choices, or just one? Because now if you focus on one directly entirely so you can learn more about one thing without going for both of them. Okay, so um, I have two things. The first one is the Arduino thing. You can learn about the parts of that, and the second choice is you can go from the lesson by lesson and come back to this Arduino. And you have to know that Arduino is in the ninth lesson. So there are 6 more lessons for us to go to this lesson. So I'm asking a question. Do you want to follow the book or this according to what I have planned today? I would like to hear your answer. Oh, now Sanishki is telling Arduino. What about Shanal? You have to select one. There are 3 choices to do the both, to do the both. And the second one is just this Arduino Uno. And the third one is go lesson by lesson so you can understand more because you have lots of to study because uh, you are still a beginner, I guess, right? So you have to learn more. That's the third choice. So you can choose one of those. What are you going to select? Feel free to talk. Yes. One,
Arduino.
two, or three.
Both.
Both. Okay. So we'll do the both. It's a great
Arduino.
choice. It's a great choice. So we'll do the both things. So now introduction to
Arduino.
basic electronics. Okay, Sanishka. I heard your response. Uh, but because of Shenal's response, let's do both. It's good. So, so what's electronics? Based on your idea, what's electronics? Don't look at this. Give your own idea. I'll stop sharing, otherwise you will see the answer. Hello? Like yesterday, you can give any idea. Can you remember? You can give any idea.
Sahas can't hear.
You can give any idea. So, what's electronic? You can give any idea. It's your choice. You can select.
Sana kena gila katakan.
Yeah, monkey will make it. Ada in the back about practice, right? It.
Hello. Can you hear me? මොකද නේ only come to W. පිළිම වගේ ඉන්නේ. Shinal. Hello, response quickly. Okay, since you all won't talk, I'll tell you the answer. So, electronic is controlling the flow of electrons to process info. Oh, wait. Electronic is the thing which controls the flow of electrons to process information, amplify signals, and operate devices. Okay. So it's a flow of current. It's a flow of electricity. Why can't you talk, Sanishka? Are you in a religious place or something? Okay, anyway. Right. Okay. Okay. So electronic is the study of electricity and how to use that to build things like computers. So it's a subject like thing to study about components of electricity. Okay, so you all know this. Okay, who introduced the electromagnetic induction? Who first introduced it? You have learned that in science. Who first introduced electromagnetic induction? It's Michael Faraday. Okay. He is the one who discovered electromagnetic induction. So he's the father of electronics. So electrical waves. There are basic characteristics of a electric wave. It has a constant speed. It has an amplitude. It has a wavelength. Then resistor. What do you think about resistor? What do you think about resistor? What is a resistor? And even Sanishka, if you want, you can chat. I mean, you can put the answer to the chat group.
No, now I can talk.
Okay.
Resistor is the flow current for a one direction.
It's not resistor, right? You
It's
are talking about the diode. I'm asking about the resistor. I'm not talking about the diode.
it flows the what අර මම
Electricity.
සිංහලෙන් කියන්න මම සිංහලෙන් කියන්න ලයිට් එකට ලයිට් එක මේ 3 volts නම් අපි 9 volt බැටරියක් දෙනවා නම් ඒකට අපි රෙසිස්ටර් එකක් දාලා ඒකට ඕන කරන්ට් එක ඒ කියන්නේ අවශ්‍ය කරන්ට් එක සපයා දෙනවා.
So Sanishka, your answer was kind of correct. So what Sanishka was telling was, it's like we can reduce the amount of electricity which flows through the wires. Okay, so that's correct. So resistor means resistance, the one who do the resistance is known as resistor. So resistance means badakya. It's a barrier. So this resistor blocks some of the electricity from going through the resistor. And resistor is known as a semiconductor. Do you know what semiconductor is? Do you know what semiconductor is?
No.
Okay. Semiconductor is like this. So what is a conductor? First tell me.
Conduct is
You
means
can even give an
conducting something. Conducting,
example.
conducting something like
Okay. Shall I tell the answer?
conducting something. That means like
No, it's not conducting. Conducting means pavatvanamani. Again, conducting the holy mass, not something like that.
yeah.
Oh, it's not true, but it's okay. Even Anishka, even if he don't know the answer, he still gave one of his idea. That is what I expected. Okay, so semiconductor means conductor means a thing which lets the electricity flow. The things which let electricity flow is known as conductor. Current එකට යන්න දෙනව නම් අපි එකට කියනවා conduct එකක් කියලා. You know that these wires and all, they let the electricity flow. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් කරන්ට් එකට යන්න දෙනවනේ වයර් වගේ ඒවා. ඒක ඇතුලේ තියෙන තඹ කම්බි. ඒකට ඒ වලින් යන්න දෙනවා. So those are known as the conductors, and resistor is known as a semiconductor because it's kind of a conductor. Because it's kind of a conductor but not fully. Because now wire is a thing which let electricity flow. And same goes with the resistor. But resistor blocks some of the electricity which flows through a specific direction. The resistor blocks.
Yeah.
That's why it is known as a semiconductor, because it's not a full conductor, it's a semiconductor. Yes, Anishka?
Is there a side for a resistor like plus or minus, negative or positive?
I'm not quite sure about that. Wait, let me ask it. Wait a sec. I hope so. Resistor, yeah. Resistor have, but it depends on the brand also, I think. Wait, let me see. I'll ask from this. Ayo, Wi-Fi. Wait. Okay. Resistor doesn't. Resistor doesn't have a terminal. Yeah. Resistor non-polarized. Okay. So that means, or then okay, wait. I'll answer the question of Sanishka. So Sanishka is telling this wire. Wait, okay, it's okay. So if this wire is positive, wait, if this wire is positive and this is negative, the resistor can be like this as well as the opposite side. So let's think the dot is here for a mark. there's a mark in the resistor, yeah. If there's a mark, even if it was, it's okay, I guess. If wait, let me redraw it. This person is, so if even if the diode was the opposite side, it doesn't matter. දැන් පේනවද මෙතන ඩයෝඩ් එක හදවලා තියෙන්නේ මේ පැත්තට. ඊළඟ එකේදී ඒක හදවලා තියෙන්නේ මේ පැත්තට. It doesn't matter about the terminal. If it is negative or positive, it doesn't care. It doesn't matter. Okay.
Sahas, then what represent by the colors of the resistor, like brown, red, like that? In resistor,
Yeah.
in PTS we learn no what
Yeah.
represents.
So it is like this. So using those colors, we can see how much electricity is reduced. Do you understand what I am telling you?
Yes.
Now you know
Yes.
resistor blocks some of the electricity. So to see how much electricity is blocked, we can use the color codes. Okay, Sanishka. So resistor has at least 4 or 3 colors. So now you know in resistor, even we have to measure the amount of electricity that is blocked. The amount of electricity that is blocked. So we use what we use? Ohm. What do we use? Ohm. Okay. To mark the resistance. So resistance can be divided into two: variable variable resistor and fixed resistor. So fixed resistor, this spellings is wrong, but it's okay. So the amount cannot be changed. I mean, the amount cannot be changed, but in the variable resistor, the amount can be changed. If you want, I can let you know about furthermore. Wait, but we should ask from AI.
Sahas,
Yes.
think that light is voltage is 12 volts. Okay. Now we are fixing 9-volt battery. So
Wait, Sanishka, I can't hear you. Okay, tell that thing again. If you want, you can even tell it in Sinhala.
no, I will tell English. If the we think about the light strip, that light strip contains 12 volts. Okay. Now we are fixing a 9-volt battery. So that light glows lightly or fully.
So you are telling there's a light which needs 12 volt and there's a
Yeah.
dry cell of 9 volts.
9-volt battery.
So it won't glow fully, but slightly it will glow, right?
I experimented. Then my 9-volt battery get finished quickly. Even it will not work for 3 days. It will work for like 2 days. For I may put it to a 12-volt strip like that. Three of them.
Okay, so the thing you told was correct. So a dry cell can give up to only 9 according to the dry
Okay.
cell
Now
Sanishka told. So because the light requires 12 watts. So it is much more higher than the amount of the dry cell. So
Okay, wait.
the amount of electricity stored in the dry cell will be finished
No.
quickly. Okay,
This is my question.
okay,
For
so
Sahas,
yes, I'm listening.
this is my question. So we are fixing 9-volt battery for a 12-volt light. Do we need a resistor?
No, you don't need, right? Because if you put the resistor, uh, I mean, what's the importance of a resistor? The importance of a resistor is to
Reduce.
not waste the amount of electricity. Not to waste the amount of electricity, and if an object, if an electronic